So we're getting pretty quick. Sub 4 second, 0 to 60. This is with the JB4 top mount intercooler and intake. This wasn't my run. This is one of my buddy's runs. So getting into the sub fives. You got to think so I said 4.79. When you add a J pipe, a little bit more ethanol, what we're talking about a low 4 second 0 to 60. This is without raising the limiter or anything crazy. This is just an ETS intake JB4 top mount. So barely any mods to get a sub 5 second 0 to 60. And once we get that J pipe on there and we add 40-50 wheel horsepower, that's when things are going to get pretty crazy and probably get to the very low fours where you're competing with cars that are significantly more expensive. And I wouldn't be surprised if someone in the near future breaks into the threes. Of course, I won't be launching my car too much, but when I get the J pipe, I'll probably do another launch. My 060 is right around this time, and this is, like I said, just wanted to show you guys. Thought it was pretty impressive for a nearly stock car to hit a 0 to 60 this quickly. That being, a manual. Of course, a dual clutch is going to be quicker, but being a manual and having so little mods, I think this is pretty impressive. How fast have you gone 0 to 60? Have you got anything like this? Have you launched the car? I know some of us are afraid to launch the car, but one time doesn't hurt. Just don't get too addicted to it. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. Thought it was pretty cool, and let me know if you have any questions. We'll be getting some more content. Definitely after the holidays. Right now I know it's a little slow on the content side just because myself and I'm sure everyone else is busy buying gifts and traveling for the holidays. So once things slow down a little bit, that's when all the money for the mods will come in, and we'll be able to have some fun. You guys be safe out there.